Why did we not do this before? Alright, bro. Okay. I got you. You want the rug. Okay.
She'll bite you again.
Yeah. She's showing her teeth.
Oh my god.
That's what happens when you give an already hyper cat.
Catnip.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you give my cat catnip.
Baby. Look at her eyes. They're huge. My cat's eyes are always huge anyways.
I love that. All you have to do is just put it on the ground. Okay. Yeah, let's get these out of there. He's just covered. He's straight up covered. Look at her. Oh, she's on the real carpet now. Yeah. Hey. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.